Good morning again, happy new week again, brothers and sisters in the hustle of trading. Time to create dope traders through teaching and inspiring. How was your weekend? I hope you had a great one. I hope you had a good weekend. If you join us for the first time, what we do on here is top-down analysis, and while at it we share pep talks that can help boost or better your trading psychology. We do this because we want to help struggling traders, and then we mark out zones where we are looking to enter potential trades, to help beginner traders have things to think about for the day. I usually color code my charts. The red is for the daily time frame. Green, which I would soon use, is for the 4-hour. Blue is for my lower time frame, and my lower time frame is 1 hour and 30 minutes. What does this do for me? It helps me know where price is trading at per time. Because as a day trader, I spend most of my time on the lower time frame, on the 30 minutes time frame. And I'm sure you would know that the higher the time frame, the stronger the zone. Therefore, while I'm on the lower time frame, I am able to know where price is at and what price is doing. You will notice that I make my zones short. I do them just because it's just a habit. It doesn't mean there's nothing special to it besides just the habit. The habit for me is that I like clean charts, and clean charts help me see clearer. And also because as a day trader, every day I clean the charts and start all over again. There is no need to make it long, although they reference the chart to the left. Topish. So it's just my own way. Any other zone on this 4-hour I may be missing out on? This right here looks like a support. Let me see. It does. Put it right here. These things might seem so small, but when you now go on the lower time frame, you see that they are wide. Now 1 hour. What up, 1 hour? Adjust this again to finish it and make it final. On the 1 hour time frame, there's a support right here. Or, well, call it resistance, just a broken support. Right here we have this support on the lower time frame. Our price is not coming back into this place to range. I have a very busy day today. I would like my trades to just happen very fast. So guys, we have spoken a lot, right? We have spoken a lot this year. From last year, I've spoken a lot about trading discipline and all of that. What are you doing? And I would like you to answer this question for me, please. What are you doing at the moment to aid good discipline? I would really like you to share it. Let's go down to the 30 minutes. There's a lot of volume for gold on the market. Damn. Alright, cool. Now we see these zones. Now we see them. There's so many areas. There's this area as well on the lower time frame. So now you see the whole point of color coding. We know where price is at. So what are we looking at trading today? Let's look for our range 2 and start finding range. What is the range in here? Almost over 450 pips. Good. What is the range from here down? Almost 700 pips, which is good, but also there is a support right here. You see that price could reject from, but still a good range because around it's about 400 pips because these are wicks. And on this side we have a clean range. So what am I looking at? If this candle on this 30 minutes, I want to see how long this candle is to see if it is, whoa, it is way too big, way too big. Anyway, if this candle, if we get price to break and close below this last week, let me do this. So yeah, if we get price to close below this zone, on the next candle taking that we can sell to go down, there's a potential that if it breaks this point, it will definitely touch it, because there is a clean candle from here that rolls all the way up. So price might most likely test this area or test this area. So if this price can close below this point, on the next candle taking it down, we can sell to go down to see how far it goes. If it closes and breaks below this point, you can sell to go down, either continue your position or add more position to see how far it goes. And breaks and close below this point, sell to go down to see how far it goes. If price should reverse back up here and give a bearish confirmation right on the top, so if it should reverse and fake out probably and come back in and close right at the top, let me see this range once again before I will say we can sell. Yeah, we can sell to go down and just take some little pips to see how far it goes. If it pushes all the way up, which is where price is coming from, it pushes all the way up and give a bearish confirmation from here, we can sell to go down to see how far it goes. If it pushes to this area, bearish confirmation, sell to go down to see how far it goes. If it pushes up to this area, gives a bearish confirmation, we sell to go down to see how far it goes. FYI, I have a playlist called From Novice to Pro. If you watch it, you'll be able to understand these candlesticks and what will be your confirmation candles. Now for longs, for me to buy in this zone, I will have to see price probably fake out into this area, push back in and close right at the bottom, because I've told you guys that in range trading, we trade, we only buy at the lowest and sell at the high point of the range. So if price pushes back and pushes and gives us a bullish confirmation, on the next candle we can trade it to see if there is a potential of price pushing back up here, because this was Thursday when price retested this point. Price came, rallied in this point before pushing up, right? So because of that, there's a high probability that if we get a bullish confirmation from here, price can just push back up from there. So if price gives a bullish confirmation from here, from this lowest point, we buy to see how far it goes. And if price breaks and close, if I am buying from here, I will enter with a small risk, because anything can happen in this zone, because the range is not a lot. So therefore my risk will not be a lot. Then if price pushes and close above this zone, now because of this clean range on this side, we can buy to go long to see how far it goes. If price pushes and closes above this point, we can buy to go long to see how far it goes. If it closes in this zone, we can buy to see how far. If it pushes down here and gives a bullish confirmation, and the chances of that are high, we can buy to go long. Why do I say buy to go long? Because they are the same thing, right? Anyway, if it pushes down here, gives a bullish confirmation, we can buy, and same thing here. Please remember that all of these zones are areas for you to have potential trade. I don't trade everything. I don't trade more than 2 of this per day. I am not a bias based trader, I'm a range based trader. So I trade what I see per time. So there are times I can buy and then I can sell, and I'm done. There are times I can buy and buy again and I'm done. There are sometimes that the price will move so good that I don't need to enter a second trade. This just gives you so many things to think about. That's why I share all of these zones. Please guys, continue to interact, and the questions I ask, please answer, and let's keep growing. Wishing you a beautiful week ahead, and I need you to tell me how well you are doing. What are you doing to be able to stay disciplined? I want us to be doing that so that we can be sure that people are going to stay disciplined. Have a beautiful week trading. Peace out.